To unlock a domain on Godaddy, start by logging into your account on the Godaddy website. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Domains tab, which will take you to a list of all the domains you have registered with Godaddy. Find the domain you want to unlock and click on the 3 vertical dots next to it. Then select Domain Manager. In the Domain Manager, scroll down to the Additional Settings section and find the Domain Lock option. By default, this is usually set to On, which means your domain is locked and cannot be transferred to another registrar. To unlock your domain, simply toggle the switch to the off position. After you have unlocked your domain, you will need to obtain the EP code, also known as the transfer code, which is required to transfer your domain to another registrar. To get the EP code, go back to the Domain Manager and scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Then click on the Get EP Code button. You will then receive an email from Godaddy with the EP code for your domain. This code is usually sent to the administrative email address listed in the HOIS database for your domain, so make sure this email address is up to date and accessible to you. It is essential to note that it may take up to 24 hours for the domain lock to be fully removed and for the EP code to be emailed to you. During this time, your domain may still appear as locked, but it will be unlocked once the changes have been fully processed. Finally, once you have the EP code, you can initiate the transfer process with your new registrar, using the EP code to verify the transfer and complete the process. Remember to always keep your EP code safe and secure, as it can be used to transfer your domain without your authorization.